On this video, we're going to look at this toilet seat handle and why you may want to get one to not touch the toilet seat. And when you're done, you just slam it down. Or you have a soft closing seat like I do. So this is the Happy Shoots toilet seat handle. All you do is you just lift. So this is this little fin, and this is basically a handle on the toilet. So you don't have to go and grab it. So you don't have to go and grab it this way. You're basically gonna go take this, and then you're gonna pull this. That is the whole point of this. So it has a double adhesive. So you take one end, and then we take this part here. All right, now peel this part off. There we go. And then you're gonna place this. Now, I think placing it back here is better because it's out of reach here. So we lift this up, and then we just place this right over here in this little thing, rubbery piece. And then, well, hopefully you have a slow closing toilet like I do. That once the toilet seat is up, all you do is you just lift, and voila. And of course you can put this on this lid or that lid, doesn't really matter. It's really up to you. Thanks for watching.